As a guy, it can be really very tricky to manage some things: your work, your time, relationships, hair, or even how you smell. And it is even more tricky with the number of perfumes available outside, and not to mention their budget. So here are top 3 of my best or favorite fragrances that are beginner friendly and budget friendly and will make you smell really fantastic in the summer. The first one is Nautica Voyage, a perfume from Nautica, and it's a woody aquatic fragrance for men. It was launched in 2006, a fresh and clean fragrance, really perfect for summer. It is really high quality despite the low price it has, and it can be worn every day for a casual event, let's say. It is perfect for everyday use. Those were the pros of this perfume. The cons, however, are that it has a overwhelming cucumber smell, which not many people like. It is only suitable for summer, so you cannot wear this at any other season. I repeat, you can only wear this on summer. The Nautica Voyage has the top notes of apples and green leaves, the middle notes being that of lotuses, and the bottom notes being that of hope moss, musk, and amber. Again, this is a really good perfume for everyday wear without breaking the budget, and surprisingly has really high quality. The next perfume on this list is the Club de Nuit Intense Man by Armaf, and this was a perfume that was launched in 2015. This has also been in my wardrobe, a very staple buy in my wardrobe. It has a great opening. It closely resembles the Aventus Creed, which is very well known. It has great performance and good projection. A lot of citruses in this one. You could wear this in the morning, evening, or night. It's a summer scent, but it is advisable to wear this at night very often in clubbing events because you will get the compliments from this one, and it is affordable at the right price. These were the pros of this perfume. The cons, however, it is very synthetic. It has a very harsh opening, which is really not suitable. Like it's very harsh, and it does not have the smooth Creed Aventus opening. So these were the cons. All in all, it's a great perfume that you could go for. It like blindly, I would suggest this. It has won awards, so it's fine. The Club de Nuit Intense Man has the top notes with citruses like lemon and bergamot. It also has pineapple, apple, and blackcurrant in the top notes. Jasmine, rose, and birch being in your middle notes, and your bottom notes consist of vanilla, patchouli, and ambergris, along with musk. All in all, it's a really good perfume at the right budget, so you will get compliments from this one. The next perfume on the list is the Afnan Torati Blue, which is a perfume from Afnan that was launched in 2021. And this is an aquatic scent, once again, aquatic scent, but this is aromatic in nature. And this comes at an affordable price. It has an addictive scent. Trust me, it's very addictive. It is very long lasting. It has a great performance artist. You can dress this up or down, meaning you can wear this on a shirt like this or on a suit. It is suitable for both. Yeah, that was the pros of this perfume. However, the cons are very minimal, and it is somewhat synthetic in nature. It has a little Middle Eastern opening, which is considered not fresh by some people. So this is the only con that you would find in this perfume. The Afnan Torati Blue has the following notes, with the top notes having a lot of mixtures of citruses. The middle notes have amber and woodsy notes, and the bottom is a mixture of, again, spices, patchouli, and musk. Overall, this is a very good perfume that you can apply on any occasion, be it formal or casual. And here were my recommendations for the top 3 perfumes that you have to go this summer without breaking the bank and smelling great. Whether it is a casual occasion or a formal occasion, or whether it is day or night, these perfumes will get you the compliments. Subscribe for more content like this, and don't forget to smash the like button. Till then, see you all in the next video.